Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for today's video, we are actually going to be testing out a new foundation from Morphe. I am so excited for this foundation. First and foremost, because I have the first original foundation and I absolutely love it. So I'm hoping that this one is going to be just as great. So before we hop into the video, if you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. If you make it to the end of the video and you're feeling your girl, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. Let's go ahead and hop into it.
Life is what you make it. Life shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford.
So I'm recording off my phone right now because I cannot get the lighting to be like on point when it comes to my camera right now. So once I kind of figure that out, then I'll just jump back onto my camera. But you guys, Morphe came out with this amazing foundation. So this is the Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. Now, this foundation is a long-wearing foundation. It's oil-free. It's a natural finish, okay? So it's supposed to hydrate plus blur any of the imperfections on your face. I'm here for it. I'm all for hiding any of the flaws and imperfections on the face that we do have. So the shade that I got is Rich 27. I'm so excited. Hopefully I got the right shade, but it's full of great ingredients, hyaluronic acid, which is great for the skin, vitamin E, and also glycerin. So let's go ahead and open it. What I like about the foundation first and foremost is that it's in like a actual bottle this time, okay? So the bottle is like frosted, which is super chic. It's super like up to date, modern like, okay? Their previous foundation is actually in like a plastic like squeezable container, which this is much more suitable. It's more up to date. It's more, you know, up to par. So I actually absolutely love that. Plus, it has like a push and pump. So you can actually push this down to actually get your foundation out of it, almost like the Fenty Beauty. So definitely they've upgraded the actual bottle when it comes to their foundation. Unlike the original matte foundation that they came out with first, this foundation only has 40 shades. The previous foundation actually has 60 shades, so that's kind of like the downfall with this one. Get straight into applying the foundation. I am going to use a damp beauty blender to apply this foundation. This is a medium to full coverage foundation, and already it's giving me full coverage vibes, like legitimately. Now, this, like I said, this is not a matte foundation. This is more of a natural finish, so you're gonna have to build up this foundation, pretty much. So here is the foundation. The foundation is so immaculate. Like, if you guys can actually just see, I only put on one coat of foundation, but it looks almost like full coverage. Like for it to be like a medium to full, like this is really the ultimate like full for me. Like I'm gonna leave it like it is, add a little bit of like a blush, and that's it. I already went ahead and added my lashes, but this foundation is on point. Like it's really, really on point, and I absolutely love it. So if you have not already yet went and checked yours out, again, it'll be available on the 16th, which is tomorrow. But it's also in your Ulta store. So if you have an Ulta near you, definitely go and check it out and purchase it because it is so great. All right, love. So I just wanted to hop on here and do a quick video and do a review of that actual foundation because it is a great foundation. Definitely I'll be doing more videos here on YouTube. I've been really, really busy, especially with TikTok, but your girl's coming back. I'm only gonna be posting 3 times a week. That gives me a time to be able to do YouTube and give you guys quality content as well as TikTok. So if you're not following me over on my TikTok, go to Chrissy M, Miss Chrissy M, that is Miss Chrissy M on TikTok, and you can find me there. I do a lot of beauty content as well as fashion. So I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.
Life is what you make it. Life shit been amazing.